So the biggest challenge, one of the most biggest challenge in our clinic, what we face is how to treat pediatrics. Now we have monsoon. So monsoon means what? There are a lot of acute cases coming. There are a lot of cases of diarrhea, vomiting, fever, bronchitis, upper infection, lower respiratory tract infection. We have pharyngitis. We have a lot of these infections coming, right? And most of those patients जो हमारे पास आते हैं, they are pediatric cases. Now the biggest challenge for doctors or you students is, how to take pediatric case or how to treat pediatric patient. Should I take fever case or just ask them to take antibiotics, or should I just give a specific remedy? For example, you have tonsillitis and I'll give belladonna to the child, or you have pharyngitis, I'll just give Hepasa to the child, or I have to take a detailed 1 hour ka case. So pediatric is one of the biggest challenge. The reason being is we cannot ask children much question. We are afraid of them, na? We are afraid of asking them कि क्या पूछे, how do I get the answer, how do I treat them, how do I know the follow-up. We have a lot of challenges. The challenge begins is how do I get the case. Second challenge is how do I get the mind. Third challenge is even if I get the mind, should I give specific remedy. Fourth challenge comes, if I give a specific remedy or the remedy which comes out after totality, should I repeat it. There are many patients, we see a lot of doctors जो हर 15-15 मिनट में repeat कराते हैं. You give this XYZ remedy, repeat after every 15 minutes. Do I have to do that? Or how do I convince the parent? So these are the challenges we all face, and specifically when we are student, we face this challenge. Like what to do when you have an acute case, especially it is a pediatric case. Okay, so I'll just share a few strategies or a few a direction how you have to go for a pediatric case taking, right? Be it a chronic or an acute. There are some changes in your case taking. जब एक acute case आता है, your way of case taking is little different, more artistic, more observative, and chronic case is little more different. एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी इज हमको सिमिलिमम में ही पहुंचना है, हमको स्पेसिफिक नहीं देना है. वी डू नॉट हैव टू गिव स्पेसिफिक, वी हैव टू गिव सिमिलिमम. वी हैव टू रीच टू द कोर, वी हैव टू गिव द रेमेडी ऑफ द पेशेंट विच हैज़ टू मैच द सिमिलिमम स्टेट ऑफ द पेशेंट, राइट? सो first thing what we have to do whenever we have an acute case or a pediatric case, the first thing is you have to master the art of observation. For pediatric cases, observation is the key to prescribe, because आप patient को पूछ नहीं सकते उतना, right? उतना डिटेल में नहीं जा सकते हो, आप ऑब्जर्व करके काफ़ी चीज़ें ले सकते हो. Every mother will tell my son is very good or my daughter is very good, and mostly for Indian society every son is like a Krishna for a mother and every daughter is like a Durga. For every parent the child is best child in the world. So they will not give you the exact totality, or they will compensate and tell you the totality. So you cannot rely 100% on the parent. You have to rely on your art of observation. So you have to develop the art of observation. Like for example, how the patient enters into your clinic, how the patient sits into your clinic. If the patient has cough, you have to just make the patient walk, make the patient lie down and just observe when is the coughing aggravated, when is the coughing ameliorated, how is the look of the patient, how is the cry of the patient, is the patient trying to touch everything in your clinic and is trying to break everything like a tarantula maybe, or like a Merck maybe. Like if for example he is a Merck child, so if the mother says beta you sit, he will stand. Beta don't cry, he will cry. Beta cry, then he will not cry. Merck will always do the ulta, So there is a rubric for Merck, contrary. He will do the ulta, he will do the opposite. I remember a case where the child had leukocytosis, his WBC counts were 23,000. His CRP was raised and he was advised to get admitted to hospital. Right? So they came to take the treatment because they are my good patients. One beautiful thing which confirmed his remedy was, his mother was telling, डॉक्टर मैं क्या बताऊँ मेरे बच्चे के बारे में. उसको हम बोलते हैं तेरे को बुखार है, ठंडा पानी मत पियो, ठंडा पानी पिएगा. उसको बोलेंगे बुखार है, नीचे मत बैठ फ्लोर पे, वो नीचे बैठेगा. हम बोलेंगे तू सोफे पे मत बैठ, तो फिर वो सोफे पे बैठेगा. वॉट एवर आई से ना, ही विल डू द उल्टा. What is that? No, this is an important rubric. We have to take it as contrary. Okay. And whenever someone shouts at him, he gets lot of anger. And वो एकदम रूस जाता है and he sits in the corner of the house. You have to take the rubric sulky. रूठ जाता है ना, छोटी छोटी बातों पे रूठ जाता है. And how the patient behaves in your clinic, how restless he is. Then the remedy given to him was Merck, 201 dose. And his blood counts were repeated after every 2 days, and there was a drastic improvement in his WBC counts. Like they dropped from 23,000 to 11,000 in 2 days. His fever was there, but it came down gradually. Fever should not disappear immediately. We are not targeting fever in our patients. We are targeting his immune system. Okay. So one most important thing is to understand the art of observation. Second most important thing to understand is to get the modality of the case, exact modality. We skip na, cough hai, theek hai, it is a cough. Try to hunt the exact modality. When is the cough aggravating, when it is ameliorating, what time it is aggravating, what triggers the cough, for example. Or he has pain in abdomen, he has vomiting, what triggers his vomit, what triggers his complaint, तुमको ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Because modalities will not deceive you, they will not cheat you. They are something which is exact. But you cannot just prescribe on modalities ना. आपको पेशेंट का एसेंस भी जानना है, ठीक है. तो आप एसेंस कैसे जानोगे? ऑब्जर्व करके, अब उसके पेरेंट्स से हिस्ट्री लेके. थर्ड इम्पॉर्टेंट इज you have to treat your little patients who are little pediatric children with lot of dignity and respect. हम क्या करते हैं पता है pediatric cases में? बच्चों को bypass कर देते हैं. We just focus on the parent. When you make a child feel important in your clinic, trust me, he will always want to come back to you. In my clinic, children just die to come. Dr. Shelly, yeah, you want to go to Dr. Shelly. कितनी बार तो time pass करने के लिए, I'm not well, I want to go to Dr. Shelly. Because when you make them feel important, you respect them, you treat them with dignity, the child would like to come back to you. And if the child would like to come back to you, the parent will always get him back to you. So always treat little children with respect, with dignity. Talk to them, communicate with them, make a bonding with children, हमें लगता है वो बच्चे हैं, दे आर नॉट बच्चास, दे आर छोटे छोटे एडल्ट्स. देयर इमोशंस आर हाईली ओपन, हाईली सेंसिटिव, दे कैन परसीव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. यू हैव टू कनेक्ट विद देम इन योर क्लिनिक. ऑल्सो वेन एवर अ चाइल्ड कम्स विद एनी अक्यूट, यू हैव टू हंट फॉर द कॉज. वाई डिड ही फॉल सिक? क्या हुआ था बीमार होने के पहले? 2 दिन पहले बुखार आया था क्या? 2 दिन पहले डांट पड़ी थी क्या स्कूल में? गिर गया था? बारिश में भीगा था? व्हाट हैपेंड? व्हाई ही फेल सिक? ओके, यू हैव टू नो दैट. I remember a case of mine where there was a girl, she had a fight with her friend. She had 2 friends in a school and she had a very big fight with 2 friends, and उसमें से उसकी एक friend ने उसने वो बच्ची पे झूठा इल्ज़ाम डाला था, and she got punishment from the teacher. Now the question arises, now you have to go deep. क्या हुआ? तुझे punishment मिला, वो बुरा लगा कि तेरे पे झूठा इल्ज़ाम लगाया वो बुरा मिला? तो what she said, doctor, punishment is okay, but I got hurt because my best friend cheated upon me. That hurt. Plus she is very conscientious, she is very sincere, she is a very good child. Remedy given was Ignatia to her, which helped her very well. So you have to know why she fell sick. What happened? कुछ emotional trigger हुआ. Again one more case. The child was having fever since 1 week, which was not getting better. So on case taking पता चला fever के 2 रात पहले उसके parents में बहुत बड़ा fight हुआ था. And that affected the child so deeply that since 1 week, in spite of antibiotics and antipyretics, her fever was not getting down. The remedy given was magnesium mure. Of course, there were some more symptoms taken. I am giving a very superficial picture to you, but there were many more symptoms given. but the remedy given was magnesium mure, which helped her. So we have to know why she fell sick. क्यों बीमार पड़ी? Mother's pregnancy history is a must. Don't bypass. If there's any genetic cause or the child is sick since her childhood, you have to know why. You have to ask the mother, how was your pregnancy? Was your pregnancy eventful or was it okay? Was there any emotional stress? Why? Specifically in genetic cases तुम लोग को pregnancy history पे लाइट डालना है डिटेल में. Fine? And most important is, please document each and every case of your child, because आप कितना भी उसके पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस करोगे ना कि माई रेमेडी इज़ ऑन द राइट ट्रैक, वी आर डूइंग वेल, आई एम गिविंग मेडिसिन टू इंक्रीज द पेशेंट्स इम्यून सिस्टम so that he will fight the infection in a very good way, till you don't show on paper, see, this is my remedy given, his WBC counts were this much, his CRP was this much, and now after 2 days it is this much, see his x-ray, how much congestion it was, and after 5-6 days the congestion is resolving. That will give lot of confidence to the parent, which we have to not forget. So it's very important that you document each and every case whichever comes to you. ठीक है? So it's very simple, but it is an extensive work of art when you prescribe for pediatric cases. Okay? And trust me, it is very easy to treat pediatric cases because children are most uncompensated. उनमें मुखौटा नहीं होता ना ज़्यादा, वो जो है सो है, वो हमारे जैसे नहीं है ना. हमारे अंदर नफरत है और दिखाते हैं हम उनसे कितना प्यार करते हैं. बच्चे ऐसे नहीं होते. नफरत है तो नफरत है, रूस गए तो रूस गए, खुश है तो खुश है, तोड़ करते तो तोड़ करते हैं. दे विल शो. नॉट लाइक अस. आई हैव एन इम्पल्स टू ब्रेक डॉक्टर्स स्टेथोस्कोप, बट आई कैन नॉट बिकॉज आई एम कॉम्पनसेटेड. बच्चा लेगा स्टेथोस्कोप और तोड़ देगा. पिक इट अप. सो दिस इज in short how you have to approach. It's more deeper, it's not that easy, trust me, till we don't practice, till we don't see lot of cases, but this is a short approach you can keep into mind at how you can approach any pediatric case, be it an acute or a chronic. Fine.